All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to talk about a great resource for new technicians and maybe some more experienced technicians. Now, I'm talking about Gearhead School. Now, what this is a friend of mine, Grant, has created a, online school for young technicians, as well as a very interesting feature that I think is really cool, but we'll get into that in a little bit. Now, I've talked about before, when you get into this industry, it's really good to get the fundamentals of auto repair down, meaning basic electrical, basic auto repair. Getting a lot of that basics comes from going to school. Now, traditional school may not be the best route for every person out there. We know that people learn differently. Some people can't handle the structure of classwork and that kind of thing. So this is a great option for that. It's 100% online. It's 100% work at your own pace, but he's got all of the fundamentals along with video to help you learn all those basics in auto repair. Now, it's a very affordable course. It's only $197 for the year. Now, that includes 83 course videos, 170 related YouTube videos, illustrations, tables, all the good stuff when it comes to learning about auto repair. Now, he also has curated YouTube videos. Now, this is really cool, especially with YouTube's algorithm search engine being so bad nowadays. I'm sure anybody who searched for anything finds maybe 5 videos that might sort of be related to your topic, and then a bunch of recommended videos that have nothing to do with what you're searching for. Because of that, he has a curated YouTube listing. So any subject you want to learn on, there's a bunch of creators that I haven't heard of. And there's also a bunch of content creators you have heard of, like Ford Tech Make You Loco, Humble Mechanic, South Main Auto, etc. It's a curated YouTube listing. So what that means is if you've got a particular subject you need help with, he's got a whole playlist to help you in that subject matter. Now, the playlist is part of the course package as well. But if you just want the curated YouTube listings, $15 a month, and after 12 months of continuous pay, don't have to pay for it anymore. You have unlimited access to it forever, and you can continue to watch as he updates it, because he does. He updates that content constantly. As he finds new content creators to go in there, he will put them in. If somebody puts out a new video that's relevant to a subject, he will add it to that curated list. So you'll always have very relevant content on even a subject that, you think you've mastered. Nobody masters anything. So I think it's a really great way for a young technician getting into this industry to get those fundamentals and get them at their pace. Especially, let's say you got an electrical job you're gonna have to tackle in the morning. You can go home and study. You can study at lunch. You can get some of that core stuff during the day if you've got time. And that's awesome. Now, there will be affiliate links in the description. I get a very, very small percentage of those affiliates, but if you're interested, click the links in the description and go check out Gearhead School. So I hope you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.